Hello my dear friend, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you set up fingerprint lock on your Samsung or Android phone. So let's get started to easily set it up. First open the settings app. After that scroll through the page. This time you can find the security and privacy option. Tap on it to open the page. After that locate the lock screen option, click on it. Then verify to enter your phone screen password. Then you can open the next page. Here scroll through and find the biometric section under fingerprint option. Simply tap on it, then click on continue. After that tap on register, then follow the on-screen instruction. Press your finger in the fingerprint sensor and make sure you can press continuously, not be complete 100%. After your phone is 100% complete, tap on the done button and you have successfully set up fingerprint lock. To test it out, simply lock your phone and try to unlock your fingerprint sensor, and this time it worked. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.